Hello guys, welcome to Texture Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Google in Infinite Graph. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is we just need to add in here a few elements. Put water right here or put fire and then put in here water. Now let's merge them and now we have steam. Now on this steam right here, let's head over and add in here a fire. And now we have engine. So for this engine right here, let's head over and add another engine to that. Now we have rocket. So for this rocket, let's head over and add in here another rocket. Now we have satellite. So since we already have satellite, let's head over and add another element, which is steam right here. Or you can also put in here water if you want. So put water and add another water. Now we have lake. And now since we have lake right here, let's head over and merge them together. And now we have Google. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!